I don't know how to act right now. They make me feel pretty. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Johncita. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So guys, I wanted to do another contacts video because I saw that you guys really liked the previous one, and so TTDEYE was so kind enough to send me contact lenses for me to try. So I was able to pick out my contacts and I got them. I'm so excited. So we're gonna do another review on TTDEYE. I'm super excited. I picked some different contact lenses. Also, they provided me with a coupon code, so I'll leave that right down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase anything from them. I suggest that you do, because they're super cute and super affordable. So shout out to TTDEYE. Love y'all. All right, so now we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna open this cute little box up. So it comes with stickers. Look how cute. It's a little postcard. And this is how the packaging looks. Really nice, neat. Alright, so these are it right here. How cute is the packaging? And then it also brings your little container so you can keep your contact lenses in there. Really cute. And again, it brings a little mirror, some glitter, just in case if you want to go crazy and have fun. Alright, so let's see which one I want to try on first. Alright, so the first contacts that we're going to try on, I ended up getting another green pair because I love green contacts. I love green eyes, and I feel like they look super pretty on me. Well, on melanated skin, it looks really pretty. So I'm a fan. This one is called Feather Green. I am super excited to try this one on because it looked so realistic online. I'm excited to try all of them on, but the green one is always hands down my favorites. So let's plop this one in. I'm just gonna show you real quick. Honestly, I feel like I've sort of improved putting in my contact lenses because I'm a hot mess when it comes to that. But I'm surprised by my last video. I did pretty alright. Alright, let's see. Hopefully I don't jinx it now. Okay. Can you even tell that I have it on? It's a little dark. Alright, let me put the other one on. Oh no. Okay, they're in. I don't know if you can even tell. Let me see if I could focus this a little more. So these are the Feather Green. They're wicked cute. I like them. The only thing is they are a bit dark because I have brown eyes, and it's fair to say that they did warn me about it not being very suitable for my brown eyes, and I see why. It's because my eyes are really dark and you can't really see the green as much. I'm sure if I go outside and it'll look better in the natural sunlight, but in here it's just, it looks really dark. I mean, I like it. I'm not mad at it. I kind of I had it coming in a sense because I still wanted them anyways. Honestly, I think they're gorgeous regardless. Even if they are really like dark, I think they're beautiful. I really like the emerald green vibe going on. So I'm not mad at it at all. Just keep that in mind that if you do have dark eyes, that the color won't be as true as in the pictures on their website. Mind you, I hand selected these colors, these contacts, going based on the pictures that they had on their website and also their Instagram. So that's a good way for you to determine which contacts you would like to purchase or which ones will be more suitable for your face, your eyes, and your skin tone. At least that's what I do, but sometimes I have my moments where I just pick whatever color I like, you know what I mean? Like the pink donut and the gray donut, I didn't think they would fit me so well. I just kind of like took a risk, but they were so pretty. The next contacts I'm gonna try on are the Gaea Brown. These are really cute. I'm gonna open them up and see what they look like. They look kind of green. They're brown, but they look kind of green. Ooh, I lied. They look brown. I don't know why. The picture on the outside, if you can see it right here, that looks green to me. So I thought it would have like green undertones, but it doesn't. When you take it out, it looks brown. So let's see. She's making me cry. Oh my god, these look so good already. Oh my god. So these are the Gaea Browns, and I love them. Super cute. Y'all, I think these might be my favorites, honestly. They look so freaking good. Whoa. Guys, what the flip? Yo! Favorite, definitely a favorite for sure. OMG. I keep looking at the camera and looking at myself because I love them so much. I don't know, what you guys think? I mean, this one, yeah, this one compared to the donut brown that I got last time, these are definitely on the natural side. I thought the donut browns were a little, you know, I thought I could get away with it, but these, on the other hand, yo, are everything. Holy crap. I love it. So we're down to 2 more contact lenses, and I got another brown one. These are the Egypt Brown. We're gonna try these on. I think I'm gonna like these as well. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh shit, okay. I dropped it. Oh my god, that was a struggle. I literally dropped it on my carpet. See, there's never telling what's gonna happen with me. I'm just inspecting it to make sure there's no particles or hair on it, because I just dropped it on the ground like a goofball. She bad. She is bad. Look at these. I like the dark rim around it. It's definitely a whole different shade of brown. I really like these. I think I picked a good one. What do you guys think? Do you like these better, the Egypt Brown, or do you like the ones I tried on before, the Gaea Brown? I like them both. I feel like I'm so indecisive. I could never pick one or the other. I'm just like, I'll have them both. Thank you. I think I'm gonna stare down my man with these. Like, did you do something? What did you do? Come here, boy. I'm just kidding. I'm not. Okay, so we're down to our last pair. These, I think, are gonna be a fave. I was looking forward to these so bad. These are the Real India. So it has like a blue rim around it. I'm gonna show you. Oh my god. Ah! Sorry, I scream when I get really excited, if you couldn't tell. Oh my god, these are bad. These are bad. Oh my god. Obsessed. I am obsessed. Check these out. These are a problem. Look how bomb they are. I don't know how to act right now. They're so cute. They make me feel pretty. All right, y'all, that's it for the contact lenses. I am obsessed with all of them. I feel like I never have anything bad to say about them. They're so good, like genuinely, quality is bomb. The realism, the naturalism, they knocked it out of this park, honestly. Although I do love them all, I do have those 2 favorites, this one included and the Gaea Brown. Obsessed. Shout out to TTDEYE, you guys are awesome. love your company. I will continue on supporting you guys. Get your contacts, girls. And the best part is that they're so affordable. They have deals all the time, so how can you not want to purchase from them? Like, come on girl, check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram page so you don't miss anything. And comment down below your thoughts, your opinions. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you not? Will you be purchasing them? If you would like to purchase any of them, I suggest you check out their page or their Instagram. And also, I will provide the coupon code down below in my description box. I don't know what else to say. They're so good. They're so bomb. If you guys want to see more videos of these contact lenses or anything similar to this, let me know. I will provide that for you. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.